Hello guys, how are you? Today on this quick tip, let's talk about suspension noises. Sometimes on this Alfas 155, 146, 145, Alfa 156, 147 and GT is essentially the same setup on the front lower arm on the suspension, and you should do from time to time a retightening of some components to prevent such noises. So in this case today we are using a 15mm wrench to do the retightening of the bolts, and you use that blue glue from Loctite, very good glue. If you are sure about your torquing specs, you can also use your torque wrench, but be careful, because even if you do use this, you still need to readjust your bolts from time to time. So you should be able to locate the 4 bolts that hold down the bottom control arm are these 2 over here and those 2 over there. Beware, on the Alfa 156 GT and 147, the piece on the control arm that is held together with the screws is made from aluminium. So you really have to be careful when tightening the screws, not too hard, okay? Just because they come loose from time to time does not mean that you have to tighten it more than you should. So what you should do from time to time is just to check if they are indeed tightened enough. So on those ones I cannot, okay, and okay. Now what you can do also with the glue is to remove the screws one at a time. Do not remove 2 at a time, because your arm will become out of alignment because of the suspension is forcing the arm down, as you can understand. And as you can see, the screw is all filled up with moisture. Sometimes that is difficult to remove as well because of that. And what the glue will do, besides holding down the screw, obviously, it will also prevent the moisture to come down onto the screw. I don't remember, it's just water, and also, yes, it has some copper grease. It's a mixture of both, but no matter. I'll just prefer now my glue like this, and this will prevent some as you can see, my arm is already out of alignment. So if that happens, you have to raise your arm with a floor jack in order to keep up the alignment of the arm. But I was able to find the threading successfully. Again, be very careful on the Alfa 156, 147 and GT, because that threading over there is made from aluminium, and what I just did is not really possible, or it's very easy to damage the threading on the arm. Now, to answer my question, why this can be your fault, as you can imagine, if your bolts are loose, obviously the arm will be rattling and you can hear some noisings when going down the road. And you can say now, but I just had my car on the mechanic and I asked for the service of the car and it did not do any of that. Well, that can have 2 explanations in my view. 1, the mechanic does not care. 2, the mechanic does care, but you just told them, just do my oil and oil filter. And from that point on, you lose all of your benefits, because the mechanic at that time will just do the oil of the car. It will not look or waste any more second or minute looking for any other stuff. That is why sometimes some prices for some services are so expensive on some places, and on another places are so cheap. Obviously, that is not so transversal for anywhere, even here in Portugal, but consider this: if you are asking for a very low price, for a very low service on your car, you are losing a lot of the benefits of a full service. As the oil is draining, for example, the mechanic can very well grab his wrench and check if all the suspension elements are tightened enough. So, for example, on the Alfa Giulietta and the Mito, the control arms, no, the anti-roll bars, for example, they get loose from time to time. So on the service, we do retighten it for the customer. But if the customer goes all the way to say, I just want my oil change, nothing else, the mechanic will do just that. Guys, I really hope you can like this video on the button below. I hope you can consider subscribe to this channel, and I really hope you are able to share this with your friends. Also, down on the description below, there is a lot of information that can be useful for you. For example, links for the helps for the channel. See you next time, guys. Bye.